Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. How's your day going? So I want to show you what I've been working on. So I started on the 5th here, and I shot about, I don't know, 18 videos. So this is the date I shot them. You can see we've got something coming. Gearbubble Course 3.0 is coming up very, very, very soon. This one is a monster. So I keep putting this out once a year, and I upgrade everything. I reshoot everything, and it's awesome. It's just fantastic. This one is all about how to make money year round with Gearbubble. So we're talking evergreen niches, we're talking evergreen products. I'm going to teach you every single detail of it. Those of you that have bought my course in the past, I can honestly say this is the best one I've ever shot. I'm just like, you can see where I'm at now. I'm in the like bonus number 3 here. There's actually 3 more bonuses too that I can't really announce right now, but they will blow your mind when you see them. So it's just stuff that nobody has access to except you. So check it out. I'm at video number, well, there's a header, so video number 46 shot. I've got about 15 or 20 more videos to go, and then I can upload this over to the wonderful site on Teachable so that you guys can devour this. You will love this. You will absolutely love this. Every single video is reshot. There's email marketing, there's Google search ads, there's YouTube ads, there's YouTube banner ads, and there's a couple unannounced bonuses that I can't even mention yet because they're just too cool, and you will absolutely love it. My voice is sore because I just spent all morning shooting. You can see on the 13th I shot about 18 videos today. So I'm very proud of this. I cannot wait to launch this. I cannot wait for you guys to see this. You're going to love it. So just let me know if you're interested. Just let me know in the comments. Give me a hell yeah or hell no or a thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you want to do. All right. The course, GB course, Gearbubble course 3.0 is coming soon.